Assalamualaikum, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to paint a very simple floral composition. So without further ado, let's start. I am using Oxford Sketchbook. Already I have painted the first page and the tutorial is on my YouTube channel. This was also a loose composition. Next page I have painted a landscape. I wasn't able to record the video because off camera I made this painting. Next we have these floral compositions. One, we have floral composition on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have floral border. I painted both the pages using leftover colors, and on this page also this watercolor composition is also made with the leftover colors, and on the right hand side I have painted with the leftover acrylic colors. So whenever I'm painting and there are leftover colors, I try to use it in different ways, and this is one of the way I have used till now. I'm using the same watercolor and paintbrush which I have used in the last video. One thing I would like to clarify that this sketchbook is not suitable for watercolors. This is a sketchbook. The quality of the paper is not what we want for watercolors, but I'm using it because I want to fill this sketchbook. There is not much to explain because I'm going with the flow. The colors which I'm using for this composition are very simple: dark orange and bright yellow along with green, and I have taken two shades of green mixed with yellow. So only few colors I have used, very basic colors I have used, and then I have created this watercolor composition. So enjoy the process. Lastly, I have used black gel pen to make the center part of the flower, because when we make it with the brush it doesn't turn out the way we want, and most of the time it smudges. So that is why I have used black pen. That is a safe option which you can go with. And here our composition is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope you enjoyed watching these loose watercolor florals, and don't forget to give your feedbacks in the comment section.